Magandang gabi, magandang umaga, magandang araw kung saan ka ngayon sa mundo. Ako po si Dwayne Bully at ito po ang kwento ng buhok ko. Ako po si Dwayne Bully and I have had a hair transplant about 4 months ago now. Tingnan niyo ang buhok ko, oh, kompleto na. Parang buhay mo dahil sa akin, kompleto na. Kaso naghanap ka pa rin ng iba. So if you're thinking about getting a hair transplant, if you've lost your hair, you're losing your hair, you don't want to lose your hair anymore, a hair transplant is one of your solutions. So here in the Philippines, there is a really awesome hair transplant place that I've been to twice now. They've done a hair transplant twice for me. They're called Asian Hair Restoration Center. This is how my journey went. Kalbo ka ba? Are you losing your hair and do you hate it? Well, I was losing my hair and I absolutely hated it. I'm not trying to look like a punk rocker. I'm about to get a hair transplant. Last year I had a hair transplant, but they had to shave my head for it. This year they don't have to anymore. Follicular unit extraction is what they use here at Asian Hair Restoration Center. I went to the Asian Hair Restoration Center here in Ortigas, Mandaluyong City. I'll link in their website in the description below so you can check them out. Now, Doctora will do the non-shaven FUE, diba, Doctora? FUE, yan, sa ulo ko. So I did one session in 2016, and then I've come back again this year to do another session. This year they're just gonna make my hair a little bit thicker, just give it that real full, intense look. Now they will apply anesthesia into my head. I cannot feel anything. Anesthesia's in my head. First of all, they're gonna extract units from the back of my head. And that's what they're gonna place at the front of my head. It's showtime. So first they had me lie down flat while they took out the grafts from the back of my head. They took out 1,000 grafts. Now in each graft there's usually about 1, 2 or 3 pieces of hair or something like that. So crazy, I can't feel a thing. After they had removed the grafts, they then inserted them into the front of my head, right here, around this area. Grafts. I feel like my head is made of concrete. Tigas ng ulo ko. How many grafts are left now? Around 30. 30 to go, from 1,000 to 30. The whole procedure from start to finish took about 7 to 8 hours and they even fed me halfway through. Alright, and we are done. We made it. Alright, it's all worth it in the end. Okay. Mag-picture na tayo. Photoshoot muna. When they finished the surgery, I was so pumped full of anesthesia that I kind of looked like a zombie when I got home to Shanta. Hey Shanta, how do you feel now that your husband's a zombie? Shanta came to pick me up, isn't that sweet? Ang sweet ng asawa ko. The surgery took a long time because it was 1,000 grafts of hair. Last year when I did it, it was only about 700. So this year it was a lot more. So makapal na talagang buhok ko, as in.
Makapal din yung memory.
Makapal. Check it out, the back. When they took it out, can you see it?
Ibot.
Ang pangit ko ngayon, pero pagkatapos ng 4 na buwan, tisoy na. The doctors gave me clear instructions what to do post-care for the first month after the surgery to make sure I can get the best result I can from the hair transplant. Straight after you get a hair transplant, you've got to sleep elevated for the first, I think it's 4 or 5 nights or something like that, just so you know the blood doesn't build up in your head. This is cool. I kind of like sleeping elevated.
On.
Good morning, everybody. The surgeon told me to take one of these 3 times a day, the antibiotics, and then you've got your painkillers if you need them. So far, I haven't had to take any. And then this is what you take before you go to sleep. It helps you sleep. I guess it's a sleeping pill. It worked really well last night. So mamayang hapon, pupunta pa tayo dun sa clinic ulit. And then tanggalin nila yung mga bandages ko. Tingnan natin kung ano yung nasa ilalim ng bandages.
You didn't show them that. The video is up to your chest.
Also, they gave me this. So when they take the bandages off later, I've got to spray the back of my head with this every hour to keep it moist and wet. For the next
Can you
week or
cover
so.
Can you cover your nipples, please?
In 4 months, this will all be worth it. I'll have a full, sexy head of hair. You know, some people look good bald actually. You know, like this guy, or like that guy, or that guy. But me, I don't look good bald. I hate being bald. This is what I look like when I'm bald. So adi ako set ham the story of us ko pag Kim Chu.
Hi everyone!
So Kim, anong kang nagwalay? All I did the next day in the surgery was get my head checked to see if the grafts had fallen out, to see if they were still in there. And good thing they were still in there. Not one graft out of the 1,000 had fallen out. How does it look? Oh yeah, it's gonna look freaking awesome when it grows back. 4 months time.
I-check po yung graph.
I need to check in grafts, okay. Now they're gonna check my grafts to see if it's okay, to see if any have fallen out. Ganon.
Sige sir, upo ko dito. Upo. Sir, pero yung silver na foam.
Now I'm like the Fonz.
That's crazy.
What are you doing?
When you get home, just put the ointment at the back.
Do I just rub it on like that?
Or you can just use cotton buds. Clean cotton buds. So just use clean cotton buds. Put erythromycin at the back. Then, if you want, you can wash it again tonight or maybe tomorrow morning na. As much as possible, clean it 2 times a day.
Okay.
Then, do the spray every hour.
On the back, yeah. Or
On
the front as well.
Front
and
lang.
back. Oh, front. No.
Apo. Sa likod, just erythromycin 2 times a day.
Okay.
Then, did you still drink the medicines?
Yeah. Antibiotics and
The pain
blue
reliever?
pill. Yeah.
The pain reliever?
Oh, the 2 pain relievers?
No. No need na. So far, okay naman yung grafts. Wala naman nag-pop out.
Wow, ang galing.
So, don't bend over. When you sleep, 2 to 3 pillows at the back pa rin for 3 to 5 days.
Okay. 3 to
So,
5 days.
if you have questions, let us know. See you after 4 months,
And
maybe 6 months,
Okay, cool. And I take this off after 3 days,
3
yeah?
days.
Okay, awesome. What happens if I take it off before 3 days?
Magsiswell. There will be swelling
Talaga?
on your face.
Maging puteteng ulo.
Ganon.
Gwapo yung nasa picture sa
Thank you po.
Eager.
Now it's time to take off this tape. It's been 3 days. Let's see what happens. Oh, damn. Alright, well that feels so much better. Woo! And that was it. 4 months later, my hair has grown back. My hair is complete now. And I'm super happy about it. I'm super happy about the result. It was worth the wait. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time. Oh, and one more thing. We have some news for you. Ahizi the Islander. Ahizi the Islander is coming to Manila. So get ready for an Ahizi Duanta collab coming very soon to YouTube. Abangan. Magandang gabi, magandang araw, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Kung saan ka ngayon sa mundo, paki-subscribe po sa channel namin at abangan.